Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Local time is 4:12 p.m. and the temperature is 72 degrees. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned